Hello bakers, today I'm going to show you how to make my favourite weekend treat, banana pancakes. They are so easy, all you need are 2 ingredients, so let's get going. Right, what we need is 1 large banana and 2 free-range eggs. What you do is you pop your banana into a mixing bowl and push it up with a fork. There you can see it's a nice soft consistency, and all I'm going to do now is break my eggs into it and then whisk them in. There we go, I think that's ready. And you see I've put lots of nice air bubbles into that and it'll be ready to form a nice spongy pancake. Now all we need to do is get a frying pan, a spatula and some oil to cook the pancakes with. I've chosen to use coconut oil because I think it gives them a really nice flavour, but you can use any butter or oil, it's up to you. And yeah, let's get frying. Okay, so I've turned my hob on to a high setting. I want to get it nice and hot and put a teaspoon of my coconut oil in and let that melt in the pan. Okay, now the oil's nice and hot and it's all melted around, I can feel the heat coming off the pan. I'm going to get a large spoon and spoon in my mixture into small pancake shapes. And now we just wait for them to cook. Once they're cooked, just stack them up on a plate and all that's left to do is put some topping on and enjoy them. I'm gonna add Nutella to mine. Now all that's left to do is enjoy them.